400 packs, premium oxygen absorbers 100 cc. ISO by Oxygone is one of the best sellers among baby absorption sleeves products. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Oxygen absorber packet dimension 1.5 inches by 2.0 inches. Premium quality ISO 9001 certified. Oxygen absorbers 400 packs of 100 cc oxygen absorption capacity. Packet material is FDA food compliant and strictly tested for food purpose. 1 gallon high quality resealable Mylar bag 9 packs Mylar bag dimension 9.75 inches by 13.75 inches. Products of Oxygone guarantee 100% satisfaction. If you have any problems with the manufacturer's products, the manufacturer will give you a free replacement or full refund even beyond refund period. Oxygone, premium quality. The manufacturer's oxygen absorber is the highest quality in the industry for long-term food storage. The manufacturer's oxygen absorber is made from best quality Cottrell systems through 4 stages. 1. Material inspection 2. Process management 3. Finished product inspection 4. Product analysis. According to the ISO quality manual, the quality assurance system ensures product safety. Even the manufacturer's packet material was tested under strict regulation for food. You can experience the difference with other products. Products of Healing Time 4U guarantee 100% satisfaction. No risk. If you have any problems about the manufacturer's products, the manufacturer will give you a free replacement or full refund. Oxygone, our products. The manufacturer's oxygen absorber is an eco-friendly preserver. The manufacturer's oxygen absorber reacts very strongly when it is exposed to air. The manufacturer's oxygen absorber is the best natural freshness preserver that maintains the original taste, flavor, color, and nutritive value of food. Sizes for applications. 100 cc for a pint. 300 cc for a quart. 500 cc for a gallon. 2500 cc for a 5 gallon.